Hello, friends! Welcome back to Kids Hour. Today, we're going to learn something super important. Washing our hands. Look at those silly germs. They love to hide on our hands after we play, eat, or touch things. Hee hee. If you don't wash us away, we might make you sick. But don't worry, friends. Washing our hands can make the germs go bye-bye. Let's learn the 5 easy steps to wash our hands. Step 1. Turn on the water and get your hands wet. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Don't forget your palms, the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and even your thumbs. Rinse all the soap away. Dry your hands with a clean towel. Scrub a dab for 20 seconds. Wash the germs away. Hooray! Great job, friends! Now you know how to wash your hands the Kids Hour way. Stay clean, stay healthy, and see you next time on Kids Hour.